What if the future of trucks wasn't just stronger, but smarter? Introducing the 2026 Ford Ranger, a bold reimagination of power, technology, and off-road confidence. Built on a new, reinforced ladder frame chassis, this next-generation Ranger pushes the boundaries of what a mid-sized pickup can be. Sleek LED lighting, muscular fenders, and an aggressive front grille make a statement, whether you're crawling through rocky terrain or pulling up in the city. Choose from a powerful 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, or step up to the available 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 for even more torque and precision. This isn't just a truck. It's a tool built to conquer the future. Step inside, and the future becomes personal. The 2026 Ranger offers a completely redesigned interior, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch SYNC5 infotainment display. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, staying connected has never been easier. Premium materials, soft-touch finishes, and optional Bang & Olufsen audio turn every trip into a refined experience. Safety is at the core, with Ford's Copilot 362.5 system. Enjoy adaptive cruise control, evasive steering assist, reverse brake assist, and a 360-degree camera that gives you a complete view of your surroundings. Whether you're in the city or far off the grid, the Ranger has your back. But what if we could see beyond today? Using AI, we imagined the next evolution of the Ranger, an all-electric version with over 600 kilometers of range, autonomous off-road navigation, and an interior inspired by aerospace technology. Picture a digital cockpit that adapts to your environment, a voice assistant that learns your driving habits, and terrain response modes designed by AI. It's not reality, yet. But here at W Cars, we explore not just what is, but what could be. Would you drive the 2026 Ranger? Or maybe the AI Ranger of the future? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at W Cars, where imagination meets horsepower.